Hey there, friends on Facebook. It's Stu Beans, and today we are going to choose our final winner from the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. At that time, we had given away 12 different packages, and Edye and I recorded this ridiculous 13th video. And the question in that video, the trivia question, was who is the Brownie King on our Facebook group? And if you've been around long enough or even short enough, there is only one person who makes the most brownies in their Omnia oven, and it is none other than Kevin Kemp. Kevin is a friend of ours. We met Kevin because I was a follower of his YouTube channel, which is Kemp Outside. Go check it out. Kevin does great product reviews, cooks with the Omnia oven, pretty much exclusively brownies, maybe a muffin here and there. But we love Kevin and we love Barbara. We love the whole Kemp family, and Kemp Outside is a great YouTube channel. And I'm not only a friend, but well, we're not only friends, but we're fans of the channel. So that is the answer to the trivia question. I put a special prize together for that. And so before we get into the details, let's just show you what this one person is going to win. So obviously the Omnia bag, and inside I have a MAXI pan, ceramic non-stick MAXI pan. I also have a MAXI pan liner, and then I have two halves here that will also fit in a MAXI pan. And also inside here is a baking grate. And one thing that you guys probably don't know is I'm also going to include this apron. Now this isn't just any apron. This is worn once recently at the Tampa RV show. And so this is either worn, so there's DNA on here. I mean, it's clean, but this was either worn by Eric, Gustav, Edye, or myself at the Tampa RV show. I don't know whose it is. It's clean, and I'm going to include it in here. So that is the giveaway package, and we're going to use that YouTube random comment picker to pick our winner. And so let's get to it. Congratulations. I already know the winner, but I have to edit the video and all that good stuff. So congratulations to Dorina Green. One quick word about Dorina. Dorina has been a longtime member on our Facebook group, and maybe she doesn't even know that a week from now will be her 3-year anniversary of being a member on our Facebook group. So thank you, Dorina. I hope you enjoy your contest winnings. I think it's a kind of a neat package, and we appreciate you, and of course we appreciate everybody who hangs out with us, shares their recipes, shares pictures of their dishes, and so on and so forth. If I could urge you guys to please subscribe to our YouTube channel, please stay subscribed. I notice that sometimes after these videos there's a drop off of subscribers, and it kind of makes us sad, but I guess it is what it is. So congratulations, Dorina. I will reach out to you. Have fun. See you.